like Apietu, Papa, Abeku, and we're on this platform, on this app, telling Ghanaians to be careful because the Mahama we know just a liar. He's just an empty vessel. He's just an incompetent. So he can give you sugar-coated words, but cannot do it. But Ghanaians didn't listen. She minianum me bisao say ye co-race omo ye athletes no. Ana footballers. Utumrika na u bobo. Ana u ye any sporting activity biya. So wo start here, ye do kujina field na wo start here. And I'm say, what the determination to be able to accomplish the task, you go with the energy now. Would you are training for that event, you go with it and you want to exhibit it for people to know how your friend is a competent you are to be able to take up that race. And ya di amemua ma uwo opposition o kasa bebre se wo na obetumi aye na ban dada no wasted the time of Ghanaians. And ye de to me amount just under 9 months no wabo Ghana ka $10.4 billion. Now with this amount of money, Mahama should boldly come out and pinpoint one thing that he's been able to do with that money. He should come out and tell us. She, then me say who started race would desire and who dinner who run on the started race no, because before I would do middle part of it, I would call you now I homre ya bem. Until now I started coughing. Now we started yempo any na ye come middle part of it I would be any nine sem wo Ghana for. We are going to suffer in the 4 years of Mahama's administration. Look, she and ne the dollar na ye de pa ni patri so no and ne akwesi say. And ne akwesi say aboki any exchange rate out there no a 13.75. Go to the interbanks market. 13.75. And no cry a bank and in Forest Bureau. Abochi beton is say. Chesa abochi and in now 14 and over. And ne Ganam since sama ye campaign. Emma Mahama Jina platform so kasa se ono dia woba. Less than 2 weeks. Obesolve Ganam say. Na ochro wo ni social contract with Ghanaians no. So within 120 days he would do away with everything illegal mining, otherwise known as Gananse in the country. What are we seeing today? And all our food crops are being contaminated with mercury. Very soon, our food crops, yam, cassava, plantain, and all other things that are taken outside the country to sell will be rejected. Very soon, our cocoa beans, our cocoa that is making us Ghanaians would lose the market because people will begin to reject it. Because omubeba be who say the cocoa beans no crano, mercury infested. And not Ghana, the second highest cocoa producing country in the world. And then Ecuador, Abitraye, I'm here quoted. And now, and throw Mahama try ma cocoa farmers bought into it. se Akufo-Addo aban no esisi wom no no de oba betua over 6,500 to 7,000 enne monhwa baby onenam enne ebra Cote d'Ivoire kraton no 4,700 no enne wo se wo ton ni 6,000 3,600. This is the country. Now, wo ti opposition kansem se enye no. Na wo ba be ye ni ye no. Enu ni ene ye hu no. Abro Akufo-Addo fa akoko no from 470 edi kodu 3,001. O se enye. Na wo ba be ye ni ye. O ba ye no. 9 man. What have we seen? Less than 400. Nipa wo say Akufo-Addo ria cocoa farmers no. Na wo de ukoton ni dwaman so Akufo-Addo ton 9,500. Na wa chemu miensa no ne ba omiafa 2 no de ayi wana mamu. Na it's the same thing na ukoton ni dwaman so 9,500 na. Enti wo chemu 2 na de nti na wo mfa 2 na wo promise wo mo ne ma omo. You see? Ghana saying some jina ho eka se Akufo-Addo should withdraw the military or di chase Ghana say yes no na ho no munya mu deliberate. Vice President, the then running mate Echo can the same thing. Kwa Kubuahin Mahama's man no man ko Ghana saying side. And ne this same person is saying what? Aren't you disgraceful enough to even call the Ghanaians to leave their site? What promise did you give them? And wow, CJ, I will appoint you. I said this Ghanaian situation now is worst ever. It's worst ever. That is the situation we find ourselves. Look at the number of forest water bodies, our natural vegetation being destroyed, being degraded. Ghana may say very soon, now even as started, when you go to Accra and the mall, Omukra in free abuchiri, US na eba ton ewo Ghana. Menewo, can we be able to afford that water? And so when you can't. This is a national crisis and we all must come together to solve it. But Mahama politicizes when he was in opposition. Afina, the minister, I would jina ho ehuru Akufo-Addo di na tema ma me Rebecca Sui ewo ne lasona. Eki kansem ene Amaku Fibua is calling on all Ghanaians say this is a shared national your friend say responsibility, so we should all come together to solve it. Na satama wo position na wujina ho ehuru Akufo-Addo bono na wadwin we no na we hefa Tama Mahama nam ho Akufo-Addo say I will put my presidency online to solve Ghana. Say now, Mahama say no, don't do it, because when you even arrest the people, when I come, I will give them amnesty and release them. Such a person, it's today saying what? How many people did you package to the UN conference summit? United States. Meanwhile, who could now calling for Palestinians and other people to stop the fight? One Kasawa backyard. And now 48,000 Ghanaians have now turned to refugees. And so Muda Togo, Omoda Burkina Benin, since you Togo Omoso baby Omoda, so Omudidi, say my room Omutuminya pad, a change you among. Dear no mudi ye nim she maame baako kan say ne maye 6 won hu 5 me real anytime be a me kaisa ma mini statement no na me
so ako chese nka ba ko no so kura wo yiram na o chiro besu nyanza
me your bad time she president free north speaker free north interior minister free north majority leader free north who were 2/3 of majority in parliament. You control all the arms of government. You control it because when you chief justice every ho the akwesha ho the speaker into what is preventing you from performing as expected of you, Mr. President? With all these, you cannot do anything. With all the promises you gave Ghanaians, is it what you can do? My friend.
Okay.
Your friend is say teachers and nurses are recruit to woman. Ekufuado fa woman in September somewhere. Na omu processes no ye fa we ya sanya ye beji with data ni ade na e be ki bibia no na eko December January na nka ye say February na I see you to meet you amoka till now over 1 year you cannot pay them, and the minister will have the guts to go and stand there and tell them in the next budget we will think about you. Meanwhile, you had the money to send people, over 147 people to UN to go and sleep and eat. I will sempana Eldru Ghana no. She ene school placement. Uwa Accra near Duako to Boko day. Uwa Boko near Duako to so many a day. 12 years, 14 years, 15 years akola no kwa enko handan no nkotenem no mfanko siku. Parents, we told you, you didn't listen to us. We told you Mahama is very incompetent. There's some judge in opposition, some judge let the whole world hate him. Said no fighting LGBT. Na by na ne Mahama into me and sorry in 2 weeks or no abe sorry akuntiano and there was a duane aye nanumu ma okase nyeye and ne de ono na dani PR emma a multi choice DSTV ekasa mo omu bouquet omu packages omu such a useless guy. And somebody who will come and sit there instead of us to fight for Ghana. Somebody will come and sit here and insult us. What kind of country? What kind of leadership? Look at the level of insecurity. Our people are being killed. Meanwhile, we have the security. We have Iroko who move around silencing people. The culture of silence. You cannot speak your mind. When you talk, you are being hunted for. And see, is this the country now will be fire no?
Okay.
Say, you may say, I'm out for you, and we have precedents. Share a real day near Messer and say, Abisuan Mutie. Yes, say, and the Kufu donate Dr. Mahmoud Bawumiachi or mine.
Sure.
Baby, a Kufuado, Sanya, Riasi Nada, call Usumuni Sumbutu, Riasi Nano. Still, a Kufuado, a Burjima, a Magana. Was say, on minor economic crabby collapse. Now, yet to me, a Jini Pankwan, ye be Jini Pankwan, fi says economic collapse, and a Nipan Yang Kwan, a Nipan Yang Kwan, no besa Buama economy nasa restored. Asa a pijani mu. This kind of leader. Not what training will be. To say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, who lectured, who had first degree economics at first class, second degree economics, PhD economics, who we call lecture ye, associate assistant professor economics. If we acquire Juma IMF, African Development Bank, a deputy governor, I hear your friend say, vice president for 8 solid years. Such a person, Ghanaians say what?
Akofa die ni tie wuo na kasa keke nonum kasa.
Kennedy, I or Kasano. Investi kra went me and complete.
Obi say or the nyansa no eba anma Ghana yakoso eno no na yehwehwe na say yehwehwe the oba ma 1005 oba ma 1005 mi akoto aba another oba ma 5000 mi akoto aba ma no a onka sebi o nyansa yi efeni say asema eto asumu ana say asema e development papa every Ghana intina ko esika say me na me wo sika na me na me tua we me na me tua 10000 debi me na me say me ba me railway line I free Accra eko Kumasi eko northern region na connect about Takrade me na me say me ba me be busing system ana bus system a edwumayefo umsori anapa ko gina kwan ho a unkoko trotro ho ana say unkoma trotro eyi enkonwa no dade ne bi nkote watade enkote woto na untimi nsori p kona maintenance ne na sebi o cars that die wo krom ho no amanfo de trotro esan say aban nani nko ho say me boa me manfo no transport even within the capital e do na pasha amanfo gu of anko kwan ho mo peka de aba krom omo nya train wo fi he Kumasi a no we ukofa plane a kiki asem plane tickets no ne boy den ukofa bus VIP anas STC ni we ya ekwan enye accident the Bia road accident entino why no obeka say me be ye railway line every Accra circle am connected to the northern region am obitime free northern region abedjuma wa Accra just within 2 hours no we do Accra upon ya just within 2 hours no we do northern region. It is doable. This thing has been done elsewhere, so why don't we go and then tap and just bring the technology? Well, and you say afena you be invent you obia ye mane ye adwuma on chrome speed cameras o namwa police engineer ho na wa check o de opa for speed you say 40 o de opa ko 50 obia anka hwe ade be na ticket
eno po de Dr. Bawumia I implement ene oko every intersection a eye me na ibia cameras yo but na no ma me temo send me message say my over speeding into your mommy warning. I have the message on my phone.
So that is why we want to get
MTT, the Ghana Police Service.
That is why we want to get
they sent me a message.
That is why that is the conversation we should be having. That is the conversation we should be having. So yenhwe nipa sa conversation no all can sa conversation why you be that sa conversation we 2 anamo.
I think we 10th July and almost sending me a message say caution notice vehicle registration number nobody to the nobody vehicle owner's name and nobody midin e share ho nobody location no account nobody date account no say offense over speeding no say message account say this is a caution notice, no fine has been issued. Soon the Ghana Police Service will issue electronic tickets for similar traffic offenses. If you are not the owner of this vehicle, visit DVLA to effect the change of ownership.
Exactly. This is what we should be talking about.
When you
are doing sebio obi opeso di o man anyone obi opeso take a certain leadership in the country. And come on say and nipa ni udi say who say and come on nipa ni me di there. We any nipa say koto abama no.
All right. Eda say anka kwan so no na aja Ghana 4D edidie ene to aba.
So
obi bantimore boy den dokru boy den no obi etua free education pempem ye say bantimore boy den tini akoto aba de etia no ene school placement by ye gi awofo 17,000 upper grade A school ama oba 17,000 25,000 ebi kura tua 30,000 20,000 15,000 and a year jin crofo